Hey everyone! Welcome back to Legit Internet Income, where I show you real ways to make money online. No scams, no fluff. Today, we're diving deep into the future of making money while you sleep. I'm sharing 7 unique ways to make money while you sleep in 2025. These are lesser-known, passive income strategies that require minimal effort upfront, but have the potential to put serious cash in your pocket on autopilot. Stick around, because at the end of this video, I'll reveal the easiest method out of all of these that could be making you $3,000 or more per month. And the best part is, you don't need any prior experience to get started. Hit that like button if you're ready to make passive income, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more money-making tips. Alright, let's kick things off with a game-changer: AI chatbots. These digital assistants are revolutionizing the way businesses handle customer service, sales, and even marketing. Imagine having a tireless employee who never sleeps, never takes a break, and can handle multiple customers simultaneously. You can build an AI chatbot that handles all the customer service inquiries for businesses. And the best part? It works around the clock, ensuring customers get instant responses no matter the time of day or night. You don't have to be available 24/7 to manage it. The chatbot does all the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your business or simply enjoy your free time. Tons of incredible tools like ChatGPT, API, ManyChat, and Dialogflow make it super simple to create your own chatbot, even if you have zero coding experience. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and step-by-step guides to help you get started. Whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned developer, these tools provide everything you need to build a sophisticated chatbot. You can customize it to fit the specific needs of any business, from answering FAQs to processing orders. Once you've built your chatbot, it's time to find some businesses that need it. Think small businesses, real estate agents, e-commerce stores. They can all benefit from having a 24/7 customer service representative. These businesses often struggle with managing customer inquiries outside of regular business hours. Your chatbot can be the solution they've been looking for, providing seamless customer support at any time. Reach out to them and offer your chatbot services for a monthly fee. You can pitch it as a cost-effective way to enhance their customer service without hiring additional staff. We're talking anywhere from $50 to $200 per month per business. This can quickly add up, providing you with a steady stream of passive income. Just imagine landing 10 businesses paying you $100 per month for your chatbot services. That's an extra $1,000 per month flowing into your bank account, and you're essentially getting paid while you sleep. The beauty of this model is its scalability. As you gain more clients, your income grows without a proportional increase in your workload. As you get more clients, you can hire virtual assistants to help you manage the chatbot setup and maintenance. This allows you to focus on expanding your business and exploring new opportunities. The sky's the limit with this one. With dedication and smart strategies, your AI chatbot business can become a lucrative venture, providing you with financial freedom and flexibility. Let's move on to something even more passive: getting paid to rent out your unused internet bandwidth. You can actually monetize it. It might sound too good to be true, but I promise you, it's legit. Companies all over the world are constantly looking for extra network connections to improve their global internet coverage. You can rent out your excess Wi-Fi to these companies without affecting your own internet speed or usage. All you have to do is download and install a trusted app like Honeygain, PacketStream, or iProil. These apps run in the background of your computer or phone, securely sharing your unused bandwidth with their network of partners. We're talking about an extra $50 to $200 per month, just for letting an app run in the background. It's a no-brainer. Now, if you're looking for a creative way to make passive income, listen up. This next one's for you. We're diving into the world of AI-generated artwork. With powerful AI tools like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and DALL-E, you can generate stunning, high-quality images in seconds, even if you can barely draw a stick figure. And the best part? You can sell these AI-generated masterpieces for a profit. Think about it. You can create and sell unique prints on Etsy, eye-catching stock images on platforms like Adobe Stock or Shutterstock, limited edition wall art for the design-savvy crowd, custom book covers for aspiring authors, and even NFT designs for the metaverse. The possibilities are endless. Alright, this next one's for all you knowledge junkies out there. Have you ever thought about starting a paid newsletter but dreaded the thought of writing consistent, high-quality content? Well, guess what? AI can do the heavy lifting for you. Here's the game plan. First, choose a niche that you're passionate about or have some knowledge in. It could be anything from stock market investing and AI trends to personal finance or even pet care tips. Next, use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate daily or weekly content for your newsletter. And finally, choose a platform like Substack, which is perfect for email newsletters, or Beehive, which is known for its monetization features. Start with a reasonable fee, something like $5 to $10 per month. Let's say you manage to attract 500 subscribers who are eager to pay $10 per month for your AI-powered wisdom. That's a cool $5,000 per month in passive income, my friends. Alright, gearheads and tech enthusiasts, this one's for you. The world of automation is expanding at an unprecedented rate, and it's time to get in on the action. Let's talk about drones and robots. The future is here, people. These high-tech marvels are no longer just the stuff of science fiction. They are becoming integral parts of our daily lives. And you can cash in on this growing trend by renting out these high-tech gadgets. Imagine the potential of having a fleet of drones or robots that you can rent out to businesses and individuals alike. Think about it. Drones and robots are becoming increasingly popular in various industries. From agriculture to entertainment, these devices are revolutionizing the way we work and play. Real estate photographers are using drones to capture stunning aerial shots of properties. These images provide a unique perspective that can significantly enhance property listings. Construction companies rely on drones for inspections and surveying. They can quickly and safely gather data from hard-to-reach places, saving time and reducing risks. And even retail stores are deploying robots for security patrols and cleaning. These robots can work around the clock, ensuring a safe and clean environment for customers and staff. You don't necessarily need to buy brand new equipment. There are plenty of options to get started without breaking the bank. You can start by renting out your existing drone or robot if you have one. This way, you can test the waters and see how much demand there is in your area. Or you can explore financing options or even consider buying used equipment to keep your initial investment low. Many businesses offer leasing options that can make it easier to acquire the technology you need. Set your rental prices competitively and watch the bookings roll in. Make sure to research the market rates and offer attractive packages to entice customers. Let's say you rent out your drone for $200 per day, and you manage to secure 10 bookings per month. That's a substantial income stream that can grow as you expand your inventory. That's an extra $2,000 per month in your pocket. With the right strategy and a bit of effort, you can turn this into a thriving business. Now, for all you bookworms and aspiring authors out there, this next one's a game changer. We're talking about making passive income on Amazon KDP without writing a single novel. The secret lies in low-content books. These are books that don't require you to write lengthy chapters or come up with captivating storylines. Think journals, planners, coloring books, simple yet incredibly popular. You can create these low-content books using free or affordable design tools like Canva. Once you've created your eye-catching templates, upload them to Amazon KDP. Amazon handles the rest. The printing, the shipping, the customer service, it's all taken care of for you. Every sale you make is pure passive income. If each book sells an average of 10 copies per day, that's 50 sales per day, generating a cool $250 in daily profit. Keep that up for a month and you're looking at a passive income stream of $7,500. Alright, this last one's a hidden gem, my friends. If you've been looking for a way to dive into the AI revolution and make some serious cash, you're in the right place. We're talking about selling AI-generated prompt packs, and it's easier than you think. Imagine creating something once and selling it over and over again. Sounds like a dream, right? Here's the deal. Everyone's going crazy over AI tools like ChatGPT, right? These tools are revolutionizing the way we work, create, and even think. But here's the thing, not everyone knows how to write effective prompts to get the best results from these AI powerhouses. Many people struggle to unlock the full potential of these tools. That's where you come in, my friend. You can bridge this gap and become a valuable resource for those looking to harness AI effectively. You can become the AI prompt whisperer by creating and selling prompt packs that help people unlock the true potential of AI. Think of it as providing a key to a treasure chest. Choose a specific niche or industry where AI prompts can be incredibly valuable. Whether it's marketing, content creation, education, or any other field, the possibilities are endless. Create a comprehensive list of 100 or more AI prompts that are tailored to that specific niche. Make sure these prompts are detailed and actionable. Package these prompts into a downloadable PDF guide and choose a platform like Gumroad or Etsy to sell your digital product. These platforms make it easy to reach a wide audience. Price your prompt packs competitively, somewhere between $10 and $50, depending on the value and comprehensiveness of your prompts. Remember, quality is key. Let's say you sell 100 prompt packs at $20 each. That's a solid start, but the potential is much greater. That's $2,000 in passive income, my friends. And the best part? Once you've created your prompt packs, they can keep generating income for you with minimal effort. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the AI gold rush and start capitalizing on this incredible opportunity today. And that's it. Those are 7 underrated ways to make money while you sleep in 2025. Remember, the future of income is all about working smarter, not harder. Comment below which method excites you the most. I'm curious to see which one resonates with you. Before you go, hit that like button to help more people find this video. And subscribe for weekly videos on legit online income strategies. See you in the next one.